Indy? Is it raining? She says it is, Mama. Yeah, we come out to do the bird feeders on both Indy and Cassie. We're mooching about, so thought I'd say hello. Yes, baby girl, you tell Mama what's going on with her cinnamon swirl. Over here. You tell Mama what's going on. Is it raining? Where were you? Where were you? A little purring machine, aren't you? And she says, Mama. Your mummy's gonna stand up. Yes, I know. I don't know why it's raining. I don't know why. It's quite windy and blustery here too, so yeah. Didn't summer go away? It was yesterday you were sitting on Mummy's knee in the summer seat. We were all happy. We were happy. Here she comes. Mummy's setting down her coffee, still drinking coffee. Hey, what are you doing, beautiful girl? Beautiful Indy. So Indy's doing well. I'll hopefully get footage of Cassie after. It's absolutely blowing a gale here at the minute. Isn't it, sweetheart? She says it is, Mama. That's Mummy's. Thank you. You don't drink coffee. No, you don't. No, you don't. There's your daddy going over to put the bird feeders out. Oh, here she comes. Hey, Cassie. Yeah, she follows her favourite hooman, which is not me. It's her cat dad. But we still love each other, don't we, Cassie? She says we do. She says, I just like it. That's my coffee, you're not getting it. Mummy out for coffee. She says, I don't blame you. She says, it's wet. It's wet here today. What are you doing? Where are you? Where is Cass? Oh, she's way down. So the girls are well on a rainy afternoon. So hopefully it'll dry up for them soon. Isn't that right? Isn't that right? She says hello. Who's beautiful girl? Is it you, Indy? She says it is me. She says I'm the sweetest one. So that's the girls' afternoon so far. Thanks for watching.